Welcome to the farm.
Welcome to the farm. I'm Justin, and in a previous video we worked on getting our farm truck started and out of this spot so we can get it out of the way to start working on cleaning up around this garage and pulling stumps from the lilacs we cut down in a previous video as well. Today we need to find a place to store that truck where it's going to be just completely out of the way. So the plan is to stick it back where these two trailers are behind me, because it's kind of out of the way, out of sight. You can't see it from the house, you can't see it from the farm, and it can just sit back here without being an eyesore. But in order to do that, I need to move these two trailers, and I want to get all this scrap metal, washer, dryer, all this stuff moved out of the way, because once the truck gets here, if it doesn't restart, it will not be able to get access to this very easily. So let's get the tractor fired up, get these things moved and out of the way. I am really excited to have that scrap stuff cleaned up and moved out of here. That's been sitting here for quite a while, and now we got it over by the trailer, which in a month or two, I'll be loading everything up and taking it to the scrapyard. But for now, we got this area all cleaned up. Let's see if we can get the truck fired back up, get it parked over here. All right, so go ahead and remove our temporary fuel tank here, and I made up a little double-ended barb, one with the 3/8 line, one with the 1/2-inch line, so I can put that in between these two fuel lines, hopefully keep stuff from getting in and the fuel from leaking out. So next time we go to start this, it'll be somewhat primed still. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my return line first. Stick that on. Pull out my feed line. Stick that on, and hopefully that'll stay. Well, we got the truck back here now. It's tucked out of the way. I got it backed in, so if we can't ever get this started again, it's easy enough to hook up and pull straight out versus trying to pull it out backwards, which hopefully will make that a lot easier in the future. I'm still hoping that we can use this around the farm, hook the gas can back up, get it fired back up, and use it to pull stuff around, pull out stumps, bushes, all that kind of stuff, so I don't have to worry about using any of my nice equipment. If this breaks, I don't really care. But let's go ahead, get the tractor, get the trailers back here, and get this finished up. Well, we got the two trailers and the truck parked back in here. I think it's looking really good. Everything's kind of out of sight, out of mind for us. So now you got our view basically from our side porch of our house, and it's really nice to not have that truck sit next to the garage with the lawnmower right there. The little scrap steel you can see behind there will get cleaned up eventually, and that's gonna look really nice. We're gonna get all these weeds and stuff cleaned up, get all these stumps cleaned up, which will be awesome. But the farm truck is completely not visible. It's right past the edge of the barn there, can't see it. Having that scrap steel cleaned up by the barn there looks amazing. I can't wait to see this all done with little rock walls and everything, weeds all cleaned up and everything looking really great. So if you want to see the progress, please don't forget to subscribe. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.